Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the 10-port USB 2.0 high-speed hub. It came. It's from wish.com. So it. I mean, yeah. At least it came with this soft package, but at least it was with some cushion inside, so I hope it's not broken. So let's see what is there. There's some self-seal package, so it obviously came with a power adapter, which is quite good. So let's see if this is the right one, because some I've seen some people complained about that it didn't come with the right adapter. So that's obviously 110 volt US adapter. That seems to be good. Let's see if that fits as well. Looks good, yeah. And here we have this adapter which fits to the PC. So that's mini oh no, that's not a mini USB, it's a very old USB. I don't even know the name of that. I don't know why they are not using micro USB, but it seems it's a quite old model of USB hub, but at least it's 10 ports. So yeah, I will see, maybe I will do another video about this 10 port so-called fast or super fast high speed 10 port hub. It's really lightweight, but it doesn't have to be really bad. It still can be decent quality. It comes with 2 holes, so you can put that easily onto a wall. You can put 2 nails, and then you can attach this to the wall. So I don't know if these are LEDs which turn on when I plug something in. Maybe it would be interesting, but I mean, it's USB 2.0. It's nothing, has nothing to do with high speed today. It looks very old-fashioned, but it was $5. Usually you would pay $5 for such an adapter only, and this came with shipping as well from China. So as long as it works, no complaints. It's not broken. It's arrived in good condition. So far so good. I will let you know when I will be ready for the real test. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.